In this video, we are going to talk about 15 steps for YouTube SEO. So before starting, please like this video and subscribe to How to Make Money Top 10 Videos channel, and ring the bell for our future updates. SEO for YouTube is concerned with generating views not only through the YouTube search engine, but also through Google search as well. Because of YouTube's social media features, it differs from traditional search engine optimization. Number 1. Make your channel as efficient as possible. It is a good idea to optimize your YouTube channel before beginning your video project to ensure that it is properly positioned for your new topic and that it is ready for search engine optimization. When working on SEO for a YouTube channel, one of the most important things to remember is to make sure the channel's name and URL are both correct. Make certain that the name you choose is appropriate for your brand, your activity, or even the topic on which you are working. Then, once you've decided on a name, you can have it pointed to a custom URL, which serves as a great branding tool for your content. To create a custom URL for your channel, you must have at least 100 subscribers, which means you may not be able to do so from the start of your channel's life. Number 2. Decide on a topic. You should not undervalue the significance of the research phase in your video SEO strategy. Because engagement metrics and view-through rate have an impact on visibility, your topic should be relevant to your target audience. It is possible to identify topics that users are interested in using a tool such as BuzzSumo. When you have a topic in mind, keyword research can assist you in refining the idea and determining the volume of searches related to the topic. In addition to finding topics, certain SEO tools can also be used to identify appropriate keywords. A search engine like YouTube is included in the data sources of a tool like Ahrefs, for example. Number 3. Create a storyboard for your story. You've chosen a topic and conducted keyword research to support your selection. It's time to sit down and write your storyboard. You can use other videos on the subject as inspiration for your storyboard, or you can analyze the structure of videos you enjoy watching to create your own. There's a good chance that one of the top-ranking videos on any subject can serve as inspiration for your storyboard. Classic storytelling layouts, in which you define a key problem and then build momentum around it to reach a climax around 2/3 of the way through the timeline, are well received by audiences. The final third of the video defines the solutions and provides specifics on how to implement them. Number 4. Create timestamps and labels for your data. Within your video, you can create chapters that correspond to specific topics that you discuss in the video. There is a possibility that these words correspond to some of the most important keywords you discovered during your research. You have the option of inserting a label after each timestamp. Technically speaking, video chapters are defined after you have published your video, but from a planning standpoint, the results will be better if you plan them in your storyboard before you start shooting. Number 5. Make a video of yourself. The most important part of filming your video has finally arrived. Solid planning, excellent video and sound capture, as well as some post-production treatment, are required for the creation of great video content. Short video reports are registered using the following configuration in my own system. A recent smartphone capable of capturing video in high definition is being used, HD. A light ring that provides optimal lighting around the smartphone, which is fixed in the center of the ring. Number 6. Make a video and upload it to YouTube. Uploading your video to YouTube is simple as long as you have a reliable internet connection and aren't in a rush to get it done. Save yourself the headache of trying to upload a video from a mobile phone while riding public transportation. In most cases, uploading the video is the most straightforward step in the video optimization process, provided you have a reliable internet connection. The majority of YouTube optimization takes place after the video has been fully uploaded and consists of a number of different optimization steps. Number 8. Create a unique thumbnail for your website. For each video on YouTube, a thumbnail image is generated by the platform automatically. However, coming up with your own will yield better results. Taking control of the thumbnail allows you to select the most appropriate visual and enter a short descriptive text or call to action in the appropriate field. Increase the click-through rate, center, on your video's search result page by optimizing the thumbnail. As a result, your video will rank higher in the search results. Number 9. Create captions and a transcript of the video. Subtitles are required for videos because a significant proportion of users watch videos with the sound turned off. Many video editing apps, as well as YouTube, can automatically generate captions for you. You can save the captions to your computer to use in a blog post later on in the search engine optimization process. You can also edit them and reuse them on YouTube if you so desire. Number 10. Create an end screen and information cards. An end screen is a fantastic way to bring a YouTube video to a close. When editing a video, it can be added in as a separate layer. You can also insert information cards into the video to link to other videos at various points during the video. End screens and cards help to improve the user's interaction with the system. This can increase the amount of time people spend watching your video and serve as an indicator of its quality, which can help your video rank higher in search results. Number 11. Make use of social media and other means of distribution. Your video has now gone live and has been optimized for viewing on YouTube. Some of you may already be aware that search engines don't just look at the content of a page and that off-page SEO is important for ranking purposes. The number of views, likes, comments, and shares your video receives are all important factors in determining where it will appear in the rankings. Number 13. Respond to and engage with others. Keep in mind that YouTube is a social network in its own right. On YouTube, users can express themselves by liking, commenting, and sharing content. Respond to all of the comments and participate in the discussions that have erupted beneath your video. In addition, there is a significant amount of symmetric behavior. I like your post, you like my post, and if we comment on your video, will you comment on mine? Are examples of phrases that might be used. Number 14. Write a blog post about your experience. By now, you've most likely gained some traction for your video on YouTube. For added impact, you can now create a dedicated blog post on your website that includes the video embedded within it. For content, you can use the transcript that you have extracted and embed the video. Number 15. Keep track of the results. Your YouTube statistics will be one of the first indicators of your achievement. If the video performs well, there are better chances that it will perform well in search results as well. However, using tools such as AccuRanker and RankRanger, it is also possible to keep track of your position in YouTube search results. Finally, you may begin to see your video appear in video carousels for keyword searches on Google after a period of time. It's possible that your blog post will appear in traditional search results as well. I hope you enjoyed our video. Please let us know in the comments area below. Please like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell before leaving. Thank you for watching How to Make Money Top 10 Videos channel.